Assalamualaikum, grade 7th, online with computers. Grade 7th, now we are going to start exercise of chapter number 5. Students will highlight key terms and learn them. First one is QBasic. IDE, RAM, CLS, execute. Shortcut keys F5, Shift plus Del. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally your solved exercise with this exercise. Question number 8, choose the correct option and write in the space provided. This one is correct option. Fill in the blanks. Integrated development environment. Question number C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D. Answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are exercise questions. Question number 1. Who has developed basic language? Answer. It was designed by John George Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz in 1964. Question number 2. Define keywords. Answer. Keywords are those words which are already defined in the programming language. Some keywords are CLS, input, output, let, len, and int. Question number 3. Define program. Answer. A program is a set of instructions which is used for specific purpose. Question number 4. What is the basic use of let statement? Answer. This command is used to store the values in some variable, numeric or string constant. Question number 5. Define operator. Answer. An operator defines the types of operations to be performed on data. Question number 6. What is the use of input and output statement? Answer. Input. Input command is used to take data from the user. Output. This command is used to get the output of the program. Question number 7. Write the steps to execute a program. Answer. Follow the given steps. First one is click the Gen menu present on the menu bar. Click on the start option, creating .x file or starting program in the window. What are the main components of QBasic screen? Main components of QBasic screen are title bar, program window, minimize, maximize, close, menu bar, status bar. Question number 9. How will you save a program in QBasic? Answer. Follow the given steps. After typing the whole program correctly, click the file menu. Click the save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the file name in file name box. Click OK. Question number 10. What are the basic elements of QBasic? Answer. Elements of QBasic are character set, constant, variables, keywords. Question number 11. How will you open a saved program in QBasic? Answer. Follow the given steps. Click on File menu. A sub-menu appears. Click on Open option. All saved programs will appear in a separate box named as Files. Select and click the file you want to open. Then click OK. Question number 12. What are the different types of operators in QBasic? Answer. Types of operator in QBasic are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, string operators.